Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 28th, 2019. I'm out in the Western Garden area here. You've seen me post videos in the past about growing food over here and rebuilding all of these garden beds in the fall. And no, I didn't get them tarped before the winter came, unfortunately, so I'm going to have more weed seeds that have blown in on top of here. But that's a topic for another day. Today what I'm going to try and accomplish is I'm going to try and transplant some of my 2-year-old elderberries that were hardwood cuttings that I started 2 years ago. And they've been growing right up against the side of the building here, and my goal today is to dig them up and put them into the area that I transplanted yesterday. So hopefully there'll be a video posted in the upper right hand corner where I spread out the leaves over the hugelkultur pit area and back to Eden Garden area. And hopefully the wind isn't too bad for this. I'm trying to stay in a little protected area. But after spreading out the leaves, I made a small trench, which is for the elderberry plants to get transplanted into. Last fall I got a whole bunch transplanted already, and I just went and got a load of compost, brought it over by the area where I created the trench yesterday. I'm going to dig up some of these elderberries. Hopefully the ground isn't too frozen, and we'll get those transplanted today before we get some rain later on this week. The temperature is supposed to get up to like 50 degrees. It's 39 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so a really nice warm day, but the rains are coming, and then we're going to get back down to freezing temperatures again. So let's get going.